Merhaba. Hello everybody. Today I am cooking dinner. So what's for dinner? I am making a chicken marinated with kebab flavor, and we're gonna bake this. I love Turkish kebab. So I'm gonna attempt to do this. I think it's gonna turn out okay. So let's cook. I'm not a chef, but I do like to have a good set of knives. So this is what I use. Let's check it out. I think it's good enough. Don't you think so? All right, let's do some cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it, get all the fat out of it, and ready for the flavor. Here is the chicken. I don't like this part, so I'm going to cut it off. I really don't like a lot of fat on here, so I'm going to trim that off. I love my knife. This is a really sharp knife. Gotta have a good knife. These are the ingredients that I will be using to marinate the chicken. This is the Turkish kebab. We bought this when we were in Antalya, Turkey. We love this stuff. And we have pepper, garlic powder, basil, salt and pepper. A generous amount of Turkish kebab flavor. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. I've been spending a lot of time in Turkey for the past 5 years, and they have the best seasoning in the world. I just love this stuff. So I'm going to put all this in. A very generous amount of this flavor here. You can never go wrong with this flavor here. All right. Once you do that, we're going to put some pepper, little salt. Here we have basil, and I'm not touching the basil with my dirty hand. Same thing, put it on here. Give it a good smack. You know, you smack the chicken like you smack somebody who owes you money and not paying you back, all right? Here you are, all right? You need to pay me the money, all right? All right, you too, pay me back what you owe me. Oh, I smell this already. I forgot the garlic. This chicken deserves a little more smacking. Sorry, guys. All right. A little more pepper because I like it spicy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this sit for approximately 3-4 hours before we put it in the oven. Boy, the smell is just wonderful. All right. That's some good smacking there. It is well marinated, 375 degrees. The chicken is done. The skin is perfect, it's crispy. We are going to saute some spinach with olive oil, salt, pepper, and Maggi. We gotta have Maggi. This is the Maggi we are using. It's hot, spicy. It's gonna be wonderful. secret sauce. All right, we have the chicken, the spinach. I am putting the saffron on the rice. My goodness, this is so good. I'm excited to try this. Here we go. Here is the chicken. It is moist. I think it cooks right. Here is the sautéed spinach.